The healing time after getting a mini dental implant is no time at all. Because again, we can place the crowns, we can place the standardizing and stabilization of dentures, we can place bridges the same day we place the implants. While with standard conventional implants, we have to wait in the vast majority of cases 3 months. If it's a front tooth, in some cases on a standard implant, we could place a temporary crown, but never a final crown. And what we had to do was all kinds of various things to hide the fact that you were missing a tooth. But with mini implants, we place the crowns the same day and you look fantastic. So if you'd like to come to the office and talk to me about it, it's a free consultation and a free 3D scan so we can figure it all out that day, that time.